So chapter 12, solids and modern materials. Not going to test you on this section, but I like to include it because it gives you some insight into the world of science. In 2010, Gaiman and Novoselov were awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for the discovery of graphene. Graphene is the strongest and thinnest known material. It's only 1 atom thick. It conducts heat, it conducts electricity, it's transparent, and it's impermeable to all substances. So really, really cool substance. They discovered this sort of by intentional accident. Okay, so Gaiman in particular explored lateral ideas during what they called Friday night experiments. So during the week, you're working on the stuff that your grant proposal was written about and you're getting your money for, and you've got this very directed research. But then it's a great idea to set aside some time to just explore, to just satisfy your curiosity and see what happens. So these lateral ideas are experiments that are completely outside of his area of expertise. But you know, you're a scientist, you have this general knowledge, and you're like, oh, what would happen if we did this? So most of those sorts of experiments are total failures. They just don't work at all, but they're kind of fun to try. But every once in a while, one of them works. And one of his Friday night experiments led to a Nobel Prize.